Welcome to Wi-Fi Hub. Orbi Outdoor Satellite not connecting. How to set up. First, place your satellite in an area near your Orbi router. Second, connect your satellite to a power source. The power LED on the back of the Orbi lights. If the power LED does not light, press the power on/off button. Third, wait for the bottom light LED to light white. The following is the LED behavior during booting: pulsing white. The satellite is booting. Solid white. The satellite finished booting and is ready to sync with your router. Fourth, press the sync button on the back of your satellite, and within 2 minutes, press the sync button on the back of your Orbi router. Fifth, wait for the satellite to sync with the router. The bottom light LED on the satellite lights white while it attempts to sync with your Orbi router. It might take about 6 minutes for your satellite to sync. After the bottom light LED lights white, it lights one of the following colors for about 3 minutes and then turns off. Blue, the Orbi router and satellite successfully synced, and the connection between the router and satellite is good. Amber, the Orbi router and satellite successfully synced, and the connection between the router and satellite is fair. Consider moving the satellite closer to the router. Magenta, the Orbi router and satellite failed to sync. Move the satellite closer to the router and try again. Sixth, move your satellite outdoors and connect it to a power source. Note, the recommended temperature range for your satellite is 4 degrees Fahrenheit to 122 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 20 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius. Seventh, make sure that the bottom light LED lights blue to indicate a good connection to the router. Thanks for watching.